Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A16s. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay app. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app you can add payment cards and passes like loyalty, gift card and public transport. If you go to menu, you've got access to payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, your activity, and then you can go to settings. In settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Next you can go to contactless setup, where you can set Google Pay as your default app. Next you can set up a payment method, check if NFC is on, if you've got a lock screen set and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can go to help and support, send feedback, and in the end you can manage your Google accounts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.